we would like to introduce application examples of handling and assembling robots. In this application, LR-MATE200ID7L picks up only a fallen plastic bottle from a lot of bottles on the conveyor. Installing the robot over the conveyor enables the robot to access the large area of the conveyor without occupying the floor space. The manufacturing efficiency and productivity are increased further by the robot vision, which enables to quickly find the fallen bottles, and also to flexibly adapt for multi-product mixed line. This is a line-to-line transfer application of an automotive white body by M2000IA 1200. The robot in the video is M2000IA 1200, the super heavy payload robot, which has a payload capacity as 1,200 kilograms as standard, and the maximum 1,350 kilograms as an option. The huge payload and strong risk capability enables the line-to-line transfer, with the orientation of the white body simultaneously changed. This also provides flexibility to a change of the layout of manufacturing line, or the vehicle type. This is an application to put a label to the various containers, with M1IA 0.5A, the high-speed Delta-style assembling robot. The robot finds the targets on the conveyor and operates accurately at high speed. Such a Delta robot series can access from the top over the conveyor. This is the reason that the Delta robot is quite useful in combination with the conveyor. This is the Transdermal drug delivery system. LR-MATE200ID picks up a micro-needle material, and after the inspection process, transfer it to the die cutting process. The first SR3IA sets the micro-needle to an assembly fixture. Then, second SR3IA sets a drug patch to the fixture. Finally, third SR3IA sets a carriage to the fixture. This is how the transdermal drug patch is quickly assembled. Finally, we will show you the system, where various FANUC robots are utilized. Multiple M2IA3SL robots pick up spray cans on a conveyor and sort them on another conveyor. R1000IA ADF picks up a dozen of spray cans all at once and puts them in a cardboard box. The filled boxes are inspected by a vision camera. Then, M410IC500, a large palletizing robot, piles up the cardboard boxes on a shipping pallet and makes the shipping package up. LR-MATE200ID7L puts shipping labels on the piled cardboard boxes.